Hello friends, welcome to Diksha Next Door, and today I'm gonna give you a review on Moroccan oil treatment oil for all hair types. So let's see what is inside our video, and please, this video is not at all sponsored.
Friends, I have the brand new packaging of Moroccan oil treatment with me. This comes in a turquoise packaging and just look at the shine and charm of the package. It's so pretty. Let's open it and see what's inside the package. Because as they say, every good thing comes in small packages. Wow. Such a beautiful packaging, a brown glass bottle so that the contents are not spoiled and there is no impact of any harmful material because it's not a plastic packaging, it's a glass package as you can hear. It's so beautiful. Inside the package, I'm opening this package and the next thing I see is a beautiful pump. It simply complements the bottle and it's so useful that you can take out the amount of serum that you want in your hands and then apply it, and there is no wastage. It's very convenient and it's very beautiful. Next thing I'm going to do is just open it. I can feel the aroma from there itself, and it has such a soothing fragrance. It simply feels like I'm transported to Morocco. I'm putting the pump inside and I just can't wait to take out a portion in my hand and apply it right away. It fits perfectly. There's also open and close on the top so that accidentally you don't spill out a lot of amount. So I'm just turning it towards open. By default it was closed, and I take out a small amount in my trying to take out a small quantity on my hand. I would give half negative star because it takes some time to pump out the quantity. No, it still doesn't work. Let me move it to the other side. No, this is completely closed. You can't even press it. It still doesn't come out. Let's try once again. No, it seems the pump is faulty. So half negative star to this, but it's only about the packaging and not the product. Let's see how it fares. I'm trying to take out a small amount in my palms. Here it comes. Wow, it's so golden in color. It looks just like honey. And what beautiful fragrance. I'm rubbing it and trying to apply on my hair. Okay, so it doesn't feel sticky. As you can see my palms, it's all gone, but there's a shine, but trust me, it's not oily, it's not sticky like oil, rather it's very shiny. And as you can see my hair, they are shining, but I don't feel any greasiness or stickiness in my hair, and that's the best part. Even the frizziness would go away after some continuous application. As you can see, my hair was very dull, and trust me, it was much more dull earlier, but with the continuous usage, or I would say I'm using it for approximately 3 months, and it has been very good experience for me. The oil was very thick, but you see it gets all absorbed. There's nothing left in my hands. It's completely dry and not sticky at all. So, and you already saw there's a healthy shine and it looks so beautiful. Let's see what's actually in there. Yeah, here are the ingredients. We have cyclomethicone, dimethicone, Argania spinosa kernel oil. So don't go by this fancy name Argania spinosa kernel. It's simply argan for us. Then there's some added perfume, and then linseed seed extract. So the combination of argan oil and the linseed seed oil, that's something that's going to give a lot of nourishment to your hair. So, as they say, this is a unique formula which is very rich, and as everybody knows, argan oil is a very good source of antioxidants. So, it simply absorbs into your hair immediately. This is in the words of Moroccan oil. So, let's see how to use it. We should take a very small amount. As you saw, I took a very small amount on my hair. The pump still doesn't work. No, it doesn't work. And then after you have shampooed your hair, then on a damp hair it works the best. But let's say your hair are already dry like mine, you can still use it. As you just saw, it gives the similar shine. But make sure that you should use this oil or this serum only as directed. There should not be any contact with your eyes or mouth or nose. This is for external application only. I repeat, keep it away from children. If you have children in your home, make sure that this doesn't fall into their hands. There are two reasons. First, this is a glass bottle which is breakable, and another is this is to be used externally only, for external application only. So all in all, I have been using this product since last 3 months, and it has been one of my best friends, as they say. However, there are just two negative points, or a slight, not negative but not so bright points. One is the pump doesn't work for this packing. Another is it's on a bit higher side. You see the MRP is 3150, and the best price that you can get is 3000 rupees for 100 ml. So it's on a bit expensive side. Other than that, it's one of the best products I've ever used for my hair.